Tired of plucking nose hairs or using scissors that just don't cut it, literally? Today we're ranking the best ear and nose hair trimmers so you can finally find one that actually works. Let's kick off the list with the one that lands in last place, the Micro Touch Titanium Max. It's one of the most affordable options out there and does come with some nice features like an LED light and titanium coated blades. But while it sounds good on paper, it just doesn't perform well enough to compete with the others on this list. This trimmer is small, lightweight, and great for quick touch-ups. It's got a nice grip, and the LED light is actually helpful for tricky spots. If you only trim once in a while or need something basic to toss in a travel bag, it might do the trick. Plus, the titanium coating adds some durability, which is always a plus. Now, the downsides. The motor just isn't strong enough, and that's the biggest issue. It struggles with thicker hairs, and since it's not waterproof, cleanup isn't as convenient either. And unlike most of the other trimmers here, it's not rechargeable. You'll be swapping out AA batteries regularly. So who's it for? If you're on a strict budget and only need something simple for very occasional use, this is an option. But if you want power or comfort, keep watching. And hey, if you're interested in any of the trimmers in this review, I've got links to the best prices down in the description. Next up is the ZORAMI trimmer. It's a big step up from the last one, especially when it comes to value and everyday usability. This little device is super quiet, fully waterproof, and delivers a surprisingly smooth trim without tugging. Its 360-degree blade system handles both nose and ear hairs without any pulling, and users love how quiet it is. It's also compact and easy to clean under running water thanks to its IPX7 waterproofing. For something this affordable, that's pretty impressive. The downsides? Well, it still runs on AA batteries, and while it claims months of life, it would be nice to have a rechargeable version. Also, the plastic build feels a bit basic, so long-term durability could be a concern. If you need a budget-friendly trimmer that actually works and won't buzz like a chainsaw, this one hits the sweet spot. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more hands-on reviews. In third place, we've got the Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 5000. This one stands out for being a full grooming kit, not just a simple trimmer. It includes a precision detail head, eyebrow combs, and even a travel pouch, making it a versatile option for grooming on the go. What makes it shine is the protective guard system. It's designed to prevent nicks and irritation, which makes trimming more comfortable, especially if you've had bad experiences with pulling before. Everything's washable too, so cleaning up is a breeze. However, this one isn't perfect. The trim isn't as close or powerful as some of the others on this list, and the plastic body doesn't feel super high-end. Also, it runs on AA batteries, so there's no recharge and go here. If you like having a kit that can handle more than just nose hair, and you don't mind the battery swap, this is a great all-in-one option that travels well. Taking the runner-up spot is the MANSCAPED Weed Whacker 2.0. If you've seen their ads, you know they're all about grooming, and this one proves they're serious. With a powerful motor, sleek design, and waterproof build, it's a reliable and stylish choice for everyday use. You get a 7,000 RPM motor that feels smooth and fast. The dual blade system handles even stubborn hairs without the pulling that cheaper models struggle with. It's also rechargeable via USB-C, so no need to worry about running out of AA batteries ever again. Plus, it's IPX7 waterproof, making it great for shower use and easy cleanup. On the flip side, the switch can feel a little stiff, and some users say it still struggles with very coarse or thick hairs. It also costs more than basic models, so you're paying for those upgrades. Still, if you want something solid, ergonomic, and reliable, the Weed Whacker 2.0 is an excellent mid-premium pick that delivers good value without going overboard. And finally, our top pick, the Ginity Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer. This thing is a powerhouse in a compact package, and it absolutely earns its spot at number 1. It's fast, clean, comfortable, and looks great on your counter or in your DOP kit. The motor is blazing fast, 13,000 RPM, making it the most powerful on the list. It handles any hair type effortlessly and does it without pulling or irritation. The LED display gives you battery updates and cleaning alerts, which is a nice modern touch. Plus, it's waterproof and rechargeable via USB-C. Everything you want in a premium trimmer. What's not to like? Honestly, not much. Some users say the blade guard might prevent it from cutting super short hairs, but that's a minor issue for most people. Otherwise, it checks all the boxes. If you want the best overall experience and a tool that feels both powerful and polished, this is the one to beat. Whether you're upgrading from a cheap model or buying your first serious trimmer, Ginity gets it right. Looking for the best deal? All the products from today's review are linked in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on reviews like this one.